Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is another video of the rebuild of the BMW X1. As you can see, we've got quite a large delivery in today, which is great news. So yeah, let's get unboxing this and see what we can look to rebuild today. Check all this over, make sure there's no damage, and then yeah, take it from there. So as you can see here, we've got the full front end, including the headlight carriers, a new crash sensor across the front, the lower bar, all the grills for the ventilation, which are all controlled, open the grills as well. All new bonnet hooks, both sides. New set of horns as well. Yeah, everything we need to rebuild the front end of the car. All this seems to be in really good second-hand, brand new condition to me. And this is the main piece we needed. So this bit here was snapped on the car, which I'll jump to in just a second. But I suspect I'm probably gonna have to jack out the front of the car. So I'll take these bolts out, which will probably go around the subframe, which then allow us to drop it off. I think these rubbers at the front are for the radiator. Yeah, I can see, yeah, for the rad pack. Supports underneath. To take the weight. So yeah, so what we're going to start doing now is take all the rest of this off the car. As you can see, a lot of these panels are still on here, like this is the bit I mentioned that was quite important. It's snapped on both sides. Gonna have to take those off. New carriers, all this at the front, which go all the way up here. Might as well remove the headlight. Make sure we don't get it damaged, and this side as well. So there's quite a bit left to remove. So let's get cracking. Apart from the lower rad pack support to take off, we're ready to get the rest of it back on. I'm about to lose daylight here. It is 20 to 9. Can't believe how dark it's getting already. Right, this is day 2 of the rebuild of the front end. For you guys, it'll be a couple of seconds, but for me, I've waited 24 hours for daylight essentially. So hopefully we'll get enough light this evening to finish. The time is 7 o'clock. I'm just fingers crossed it does not rain. So yeah, I'll kickstart the second part. Swap video. I wanted to just see how the rad pack came detached from the lower arms that we're going to replace today. They were absolute bugger to get off, but essentially it appears it has some sort of key that goes through the bottom, up through the bottom of the kind of intercooler mount, and then there's a piece then that the key's underneath it then to sort of expand out the clip or lock the clip in the mounts, one on either side. So what I've done is I've put some ratchet straps to lift up the front or lift up the radiator. So now it is completely free of this bar, meaning we can, thankfully actually, get to these 2 bolts here, and then another 2 somewhere over there, and then fingers crossed we can just give it a big pull, and this should come out. Then we can start rebuilding and put it all back together again. It would probably be easier to jack up the front now in hindsight, but well, where we are now, so just continue and persevere, I think. Oh, it's better. let's get the other piece, the new piece, and see how kinked this one is. Yeah, I think the moment of truth will be actually fitting the new piece and then seeing her. Actually, you can see it there. See how badly it's been pushed down there. That's a good shot actually. Right, let's get fitting the new piece and take it from there. Out to the old. Air gun charged. Time to tighten it up properly and then drop the red pack into it. One red pack secure. Time to get the rest of the front end. Thankfully most of it's all pre-assembled, so I'll see if I can slot it in. That might save us quite a bit of time. Right, let's try again. Right, so what we're looking at. Lines up pretty well. It's just secured up with the top two, literally just held in by a couple of threads. Surprisingly, it looks really good. Everything's lining up, which is nice. Same on this side of the back. And done. So yeah, just got to screw it all back together now. Find out, make sure we get all the right screws in the right places. Thankfully, I do remember most of them. All right, here we go. Right, all the front end is now on and it's nice and secure. Look at that. So, all that's left now is to connect up the various bits like the horn, the air temp sensor, etc., the bonnet latches and so on, the cable that is, and just start putting all those little bits of details back together, re-secure the under tray. Right, let's get cracking. All the front end is now back on. Apart from putting the headlights in, front bumper with the fog lights, positioning the temperature sensor in the bumper. I fit this now, which will be the air feed. Yeah, we're over halfway, I would say. This build is coming together really nicely, really smoothly. There's so far, I was gonna say touch wood. This has all gone pretty smooth. So yeah, put the air feed on now. I'll secure the under tray. This is a prime example why it should never bin the old bits. There's a few bits on the new panels that have come through which are missing the odd nut and bolt or rubber. So yep, I transfer these over from the crash to damaged bars, and then this should then be fully secure. We are about to lose daylight now. It's getting quite late. The time is 8:20. So yeah, all the front end is back on. Brilliant. Everything's lined up straight. I've lined up all the sections to the car with the dirt lines essentially. So it's quite nice to see everything going in quite smoothly. So like and subscribe. Any feedback is welcome, hopefully good. Be kind on the not so good. Yeah, like and subscribe if you're liking the series. This is really helping me to do something with my time in the evenings. Finding this really therapeutic. So yeah, thanks for watching.